What if I told you that one of the smartest scientists in history used an incredibly simple trick to learn faster than almost everyone else? A trick so powerful that it can help you understand difficult subjects, remember information longer, and even make you feel smarter while studying. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the famous Feynman technique, a learning method used by Richard Feynman, the Nobel Prize-winning physicist often called the Great Explainer. And the crazy part is, this technique works not because it's complicated, but because it forces your brain to stop pretending it understands something when it actually doesn't. Most people study in a very passive way. They read notes, underline sentences, and watch videos until the topic starts looking familiar. But familiarity is dangerous because your brain mistakes recognition for understanding. You feel like you know the topic until someone asks you to explain it simply. Suddenly, your mind freezes. That's exactly the problem the Feynman technique solves. The method is based on one powerful idea. If you can't explain something in simple words, you probably don't understand it deeply enough. Real understanding means being able to teach the idea clearly to someone with no background knowledge at all. So how does the Feynman technique actually work? Step 1. Choose a topic you want to learn. It could be anything: gravity, economics, biology, coding, or even history. Step 2. Explain the topic using the simplest language possible, as if you were teaching a child. No complicated jargon. No textbook definitions. Just clear and simple explanations. And this is where the magic happens. The moment you struggle to explain something clearly, your brain exposes the exact gap in your understanding. That confusion is valuable because it tells you what you still need to learn. Instead of blindly rereading everything, you focus only on the weak areas. Step 3 is to go back, relearn the confusing parts, and simplify them again. Every time you repeat this process, your understanding becomes deeper and clearer. Scientists call this active processing because your brain is organizing information instead of just consuming it passively. This technique works especially well because teaching activates multiple parts of memory and understanding at the same time. And here's something interesting. Many toppers unknowingly use versions of this method already. They explain concepts to friends, talk to themselves while studying, or write simplified notes in their own words. They're not just memorizing information, they're rebuilding it inside their brain. So the next time you study something difficult, stop asking, "Can I recognize this information?" and start asking, "Can I explain this simply?" Because true learning is not about sounding intelligent. It's about understanding deeply enough to make complexity feel simple. That's the real genius behind the Feynman technique. If you enjoyed this video and want more science-backed learning and self-improvement content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below. What topic would you try learning using the Feynman technique first? See you in the next video.